Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop future billing. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Paramount Plus website at paramountplus.com. Step 2. Click on the account icon or your profile picture in the top right corner and log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile and selecting Account or Settings. Step 4. Scroll down to find the subscription section where you can see your current plan details and billing information. Step 5. Click on Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Paramount Plus may ask you why you're canceling or offer you a discounted rate to stay. Select your reason or decline any offers if you want to proceed with cancellation. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by following all on-screen prompts until you receive a confirmation message. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation from Paramount Plus verifying the cancellation, and note that you'll still have access to content until the end of your current billing period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.